Good day, doctor. My name is Darshan Batmalai. My metric card number is 211333057. Today, I'd like to talk about integration of professional, committed, and legal procedures. Let's start. First of all, the professional committed. The steadfast devotion and alliance people show to their chosen career or occupation is known as professional commitment. It requires honesty, a strong sense of duty, and a desire to make a positive impact at work. This dedication goes above and beyond what is required by contract, rather, it reflects a personal stake in the development and success of the person as well as the company. There are two types. The first of all is the importance of professional commitment, enhance productivity, building trust, career advancement, positive work environment. The second one will be manifestation of professional commitment, melting deadlines, continuous learning, team collaboration, ethical products. The next, legal procedures. Procedures are the set of guidelines and procedures set forth by the law to control several facts of the legal system. These process provide a fair and just settlement of conflicts by directing the initiation, conduct, and conclusion of the legal actions. Although legal process can differ between states and legal situation, they all aim to respect the fundamental justice ideals. There are also two types: significance of legal procedures, fair administration of justice, protection of rights, orderly resolution of disputes, legal certainty. The next one will be key components of legal procedures: initiation of legal action, notice and service of process, discovery, hearings and trials, judgment and redeeming. The next one will be the integration of professional commitment and legal procedures in engineering, technology, and construction. The integration the integration of professional commitment and legal procedures in engineering, technology, and construction are in order to uphold moral principles, guarantee accountability, and promote a conscientious and law-abiding workplace. Engineering, technology, and construction must seamlessly integrated professional dedication and legal protocols. Professionals in these domains have to maintain a dedication to excellent and moral behavior while navigating a challenging terrain of rules, codes, and standards. The following are the important factors take into account while integrating legal requirements and professional dedication in engineering, technology, and construction. First of all is the significance of legal procedures, ethical engineering practice, compliance with building codes and standard legal certainly, health and safety protocols, environmental sustainability, contractual integrity, risk management, and continuous professional development. The examples are code and ethics standards, contractual agreements, compliance with building codes and regulations, environmental regulations. The challenges are conflict of interest, project delays and legal reformations, data security and intellectual property, professional liability.
Hello everyone, I'm Rishitharan Paniselvam and I'm going to present more on overview of Malaysian legal landscape. So let's see more on Malaysian legal landscape. Our Malaysian legal landscape comprises of several elements starting from legal framework until government agencies, and our legal framework is a dual system which is Islamic known as Sharia and civil law anchored by federal constitution. Our constitutional system is basically parliamentary democracy since our independence, and we have three courts which are Federal Court, Court of Appeal and High Court. We have coexistence of Islamic and civil law and Sharia courts for Muslims, civil courts for all. We have federal and state legislatures covers criminal, civil, business and administrative law, and our laws are derived from British legal system. Our constitution recognizes protection and promotion and regulated by Bar Council and Sabah Law Association, adherence to professional standard and ethics. And our Attorney General Chambers, Royal Malaysian Police, regulatory authorities, these are responsible for law administration and implementation. And next, we are going to see on implications of legal system for engineering, technology, and construction professionals. Navigation the Malaysian legal landscape, starting from regulatory framework until risk management. We have several aspects to be considered, and talking about assurance of project safety, quality, sustainability, building codes, zoning restriction, environmental laws, and civil laws for non-Muslims, and non-religious matters, Sharia law for Muslims in personal family affairs, until the awareness of legal consequences in multinational inactivities. This basically emphasizes on ethical business conduct and professional integrity, and also legal comprehension for proactive risk management. So this is basically for identification and resolution of legal issues for project success. And next, we are talking about Malaysian legal landscape, which we have several case studies involved, which is a legal system and how they brought up these cases to jurisdiction and legislation in order to come out with the issues solutions. So, firstly, Sri Damansara cases, Alvin Leong cases, Maju Holding cases, Multism Development cases, Spring Energy cases. The issues are basically on LAD calculation, retrospective effect of Ang Lee decision, adjudication decision as dispute depth, nature of adjudication orders, alternative speed resolution for contractors. So basically, these cases were conducted in order to find out the issues on the construction field and also the legal activities involved in construction field to come out with the issues through jurisdiction and legislation. So basically, we significance and legal interpretation is how they conducted the cases from beginning to the end. And thank you so much. This is all from my presentation.
Good day, Doctor. My name is Revati Velu, metric number 211333096. Today I am going to explain about valuation of liabilities in engineering, technology and construction. First of all, what is liabilities? Liabilities in the context of engineering, technology and construction refer to a legal obligation or responsibility that individuals or entire entities involved in this industry may have. This obligation can arise from various sources including contracts, torts and statutory regulations. Now I'm going to explain some of the types of liabilities. First of all, contractual liabilities. The evaluation of these contractual liabilities is contracts are fundamental in construction projects. Liabilities may arise from breach of contract, failure to meet project specifications, or delays in completion. Risk mitigation for these contractual liabilities is clear and detailed contracts, performs bonds and project management protocols, help manage and reduce contractual liabilities. Secondly, professional negligence. Evaluation for this professional negligence is professionals in engineering and construction can be held liable for negligence resulting in design errors, poor workmanship, or failure to meet industry standard. Risk mitigation is adherence to professional standards, regular training, and obtaining professional liability insurance and crucial risk mitigation strategies. Third, statutory and regulatory liabilities. Evaluation non-compliance with building codes, safety regulations, and environment laws can result in legal consequences and project delays. Risk mitigation is robust compliance management, regular audits, and staying updated with regulatory changes are essential for mitigating statutory liabilities. Health and safety liabilities. Failure to ensure a safe working environment may lead to injuries. Risk mitigation is implementation of strict safety protocols, employee training, and continuous monitoring to minimize health and safety liabilities. Next, we're going to investigate landmark cases in Malaysia in engineering, technology, and construction. We're going to review two cases, which is Majlis Perbandaran Ampang Jaya, Stephen Phua Ching Lon. Background. This case involved a dispute between a local authority, MPAJ, and an engineer named Stephen Phua Chen Lon regarding non-compliance with local authority requirements in a construction project. Significant. The case highlighted the importance of adhering to local regulations and obtaining necessary approvals. It emphasized the liability of professional for non-compliance and the potential legal consequences. Second, Golden Plus Holdings, Sendirian Berhad and Wang Ki Hua. Background. This case centered around a payment dispute between a construction company, which is Golden Plus Holdings Berhad, and a contractor, Wang Ki Hua. Significance. The case underscored the significance of clear and well-defined contractual terms in construction agreements. It highlighted the potential legal implications of payment disputes and the importance of having robust contractual. Last but not least, now we are going to see the evaluation of landmark cases. Common themes: the importance of compliance with local regulations and obtaining necessary approvals. Impact on industry practices. These cases have likely influenced industry practices by emphasizing the need for true compliance, clear contractual agreements, and high quality workmanship. Lesson learned: professionals in the engineering and construction industry should prioritize compliance with regulations, ensure clear contractual documentation, and uphold high standards to mitigate potential liabilities. Thank you, Doctor.